Hi everyone, this is a video tutorial for paper flower templates number M2. Material needed to make the paper flower are glue gun, glue stick, pencil, butter knife, and scissors. Once you receive your package, trace and cut out one of each side petals, and this paper is a 65-pound cardstock, and you trace and cut out the leaves. Next, what you need to do is to curve the petals. Kind of bend this in a bit. Next, what you need to do is to glue all the petals together. Start with the large one and glue this one. Make sure the tip is going between the two petals on the bottom. Next, what you need to do is to glue it onto your base, the leaf. And make sure you put the leaf in between the petal on the bottom right here. Now you have a beautiful flower.